to Vocab with Aileen. Today's idiom is super fun. And no, it's not about actually taking your eyeball out. Oh no. It's keep an eye on. Keep an eye on means to watch something or someone carefully. Like when your mom says, keep an eye on the cookies in the oven. But you blink once and boom, the cookies are burned. Or when your little brother is too quiet and you just know you need to keep an eye on him because he's probably doing a mustache on the wall. So basically, when you keep an eye on something, you're watching it carefully, like a detective on a tourist stakeout. Examples like, I keep an eye on my goldfish so he doesn't throw a pool party in his bowl. Dad asked me to keep an eye on the pizza. And guess what? I ate it instead. Oops. And that's your idiom of the day. Keep an eye on.
Amazing.
Remember, learning new words and idioms make your brain sparkle like confetti. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vocab with Aileen for more fun words and idioms every day. Until next time, keep an eye on your vocabulary. Bye!